Welcome to Saber Robotics Week I of build season. This Saturday, the 2016 FRC competition First Stronghold was released. This year's challenge is very fascinating as teams consisting of 3 robots try to score points by breaching their opponent's defenses and shooting boulders into their castle. After enough boulders have been scored, the castle can be captured. There has been much progress made as our ever-diligent design team has already begun to prototype this year's robot. And now to Hassan for a more in-depth look.
Hi, this is Hassan, and I'm here with Ethan. Now, Ethan, what happened at this year's kickoff?
Well, this year's kickoff, that was a doozy. We received a very complex problem/challenge, which everybody had a part in brainstorming some ideas for, and we think it went really successfully. But now, a few days in, we're starting to narrow down some of those ideas that we had originally, and we're beginning to prototype, so it's starting to look very good.
So what do you think the robot might look like?
Well, it's definitely going to be significantly shorter than last year's robot. We're definitely trying to make it so that it can do a variety of tasks. So it should be significantly more maneuverable than last year's bot.
Do you think it's more of like an offensive or defensive robot?
More like offensive, but in the sense that it's taking out the other team's defenses.
What do you think is the most important attribute of the robot?
Ooh, the most important attribute? That would probably be the drivetrain this year.
Okay. Can you tell us more about the drivetrain?
Yeah, sure. So the drivetrain this year, which makes it different from the other systems in the past, is the fact that it has to be able to conquer 5 different defenses. And the reason that that's going to be a challenge is because they're all so widely varied, so we have to make it so that our drivetrain can basically conquer anything that they throw at us.
So what strategy are you going to implement this year?
Well, this year, we narrowed in on the defensive strategy, just taking out the opposing team's defenses, because just taking out one defense is equivalent to just scoring 1 ball in the high goal. So we think that that would be the most beneficial to our team, because also if you're able to breach the opposing team's defenses, it gives you 1 qualification point to move on to the final round.
Well, that's Ethan from the design team, and he's told us all about the kickoff, and we're excited for this season. Goodbye from Saber Robotics.